In this video, we will discuss about our AutoComplete add-on. So in this add-on, if you add our country, city, state, or zip field, when your user allows their location on the browser, these fields will be automatically filled up based on their location. Let me show you how it works. So if an user comes to your page, they will be asked prompt this location message. So if they click allow, so as you can see, my location is filled up automatically. So that's one feature. The other feature is dynamic location selection. So let's say if I am selecting United States, then it will automatically pop up all the states in USA. So if I am selecting Georgia, it will automatically get all the cities from Georgia, and your user can easily fill up this data. So these are the two fields, and also like you can add options to show specific country list with this add-on. So this is part of our Pro add-on. Let me show you how it works. First of all, you need to make sure these three plugins are enabled. A link of how to do all these, a video link should pop up on top of this video by now. Now let's go to all add-ons and look for AutoComplete. Yeah. So you need to enable this add-on. Now let's go and add our form. Now here you'll be, so first of all, let me add the field. So this is city, state, zip field. So you can add, we are missing the country fields. I think the country add-on is not enabled. So you need to make sure the country, so this field should also be enabled. Now let's go ahead. And now we have the country drop-down. So let me add the country. So on the country list, you can see we have this autocomplete feature and also the dynamic selection feature. So you need to, if you choose autocomplete, you don't need to choose these options because autocomplete will do everything. So let's add one field with autocomplete. Let me show you how the autocomplete works first. So we add the city field here, select autocomplete. Sorry. We add the state field. And then we add the zip field. Well, I'm not doing any other configuration of basic control 7. I'm running everything. Now let's go ahead and check this form. We publish it. So if we allow it, now here you go. So we can see all our country, city, province, and zip field. So that's the autocomplete feature. Now, if you want to see how the dynamic selection works, check our other video. A link of this video should pop up on top of this video by now. So that's the part of the autocomplete feature. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.